Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Cutest Snowman number 4. Yes, there are 1, 2, and 3 that you can watch as well. But if you enjoy this process, you do have the option of watching the full-length version of this video. I have that available for you on my YouTube channel, which is Michelle the Painter, and down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable little snowman, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.